Welcome back. The following is the first of 3 actual videos I found on the launching of Tokyo Express. They're made up from old VHS movies that I thought I'd lost. The quality of the video is not that great, but you get a better idea of the action of the day than you do from photos.
Taking the weight on the chain. Look at that.
Like I mentioned in video 7, the truck ran into problems getting out of the property and up onto the track.
The wheel spin there in Horst's rear wheels. I thought it was just to pull him around.
I did too, Paul.
Those wheels spin.
Look at it. You didn't expect it to do that sort of thing.
No, it's too soft.
Stop. Stop.
Our German neighbour Horst had a tractor, but it wasn't enough.
Try again, trying to straighten it up so we can get a bit of traction. With the sun. Would you swear to that, Mrs. Weston? Would you like to go down and take over?
We should go down and hop on, shouldn't we?
Yes. Oh, he's sliding.
It wasn't looking good.
What are we going to do now?
And then I remembered the guy that spread the gravel had left his tractor behind. When I got a chance to look back inside the shed, it looked 2 times bigger than when the boat was in there.
Cool. Yes. Real beauty. These truck wheels are still spinning. Have a look. Here he comes, here's our baby. With Horst's horsepower.
Once we got the truck out of where she was bogged, there was still quite a steep climb up onto the track. There was a great sense of relief once the boat was sitting up on the track. Now we just had to navigate the 600 metres along this narrow track to the bitumen.
Time to go? Never mind.
Oh, so he's going to escort me up?
Yeah.
We're going to go and stop the traffic.
Who's going to do it for us? Well, that's good because he can go in front. He can go way up in front.
Now when we get to the end here, Mum and I are going to go up and stop the traffic.
Oh, off we go, Leon.
He's talking him past the place, so we might as well go, Paul.
Righto. Skipper, boat builder, owner.
Dad had been down this track the last couple of weeks with a big tape measure, pruning trees. But there was still some tight squeezes to get through.
Sitting so far, all right with your calculations. There's nobody, if anyone wants to come down the road in a hurry, they're stuck.
Ah, your letterbox.
Dad and Petra were the ones tasked with pushing away the offending trees.
Repel all borders. Yeah. Cool. He slowly creeps along.
I'm glad his hard vehicle came out.
Don't scratch the boat.
No, he's to pick up one of the drivers or something. It's to do with the transport man.
Yeah, we'll be moving, don't you worry about that. Don't you worry about that at all.
So, gee, did you see that? Big boat.
Whoops.
Nearly there. Just this last obstacle.
Oh, the letterbox. Right, right.
Finally, after a whole afternoon of loading the boat onto the truck in the shed and getting it down the track, we made it to the bitumen. And not before time either. Sunset was approaching fast. What an effort. But we'd made it, and with perfect timing too.
So this is our camp for the night.
Once everybody had left, 4 of us slept the night on the boat. Tomorrow morning, the driver, the pilot, and the police escort would arrive for our 5 a.m. departure for the last leg into the Noosa River to launch the boat. Join us for the trip into the water tomorrow. Just click on the link to the next video. We drank quite a few beers that night. The end of a great day. And the book on the building of Tokyo Express that I mentioned back in video 4 is now just about ready to publish. Find out more on the ebooks page of timwestonboats.com. Thanks for watching.